Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, you need to access App Store and click on the search bar right away. Now type in split screen. After that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, tap on Open. Then click on the best options for you in the pop-ups and press this line. After that, click on apps that you wish to open in this view. I will go with Wiki and YouTube. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can always do that by closing your app. If you wish to scale your apps, just hold this line and drag it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!